Another powerful feature found in the title system of the TriCaster is called DataLink. This allows you to create dynamically updating fields of information that can be used in your titles. Let's take a look at a few examples that are built right into your TriCaster. So here we are. I'm going to use the title I just had loaded up from the previous video, and the two data link keys I want to show are date and time. This allows you to put the current date and the current time on a title that will update automatically. So the next day, if you load this title, it will have the correct date on it, and you don't have to go and manually update it at that time. So we're going to go and edit this title, and all we need to do is click on the text, and to enter a data link key, they all start with a % sign. So I'll just type Shift-5, which is the %. And when you do that, you'll see a list of data link keys appear down below. Now you can go try these out and see what other keys are in the system, but you can also start typing the name of the key you want, and that will filter this list down to only things that match. So let's just say we want to start with the time. I can start typing the word time, and you can see there's a few different variations, but I'll pick the one called time. And when I click off of it, you'll see that it now has the current time listed. It's got hours, minutes, seconds, AM, PM. Part of this information does come from the regional settings of your computer. So if you happen to have your regional configuration set up for more a 24-hour clock, you would get that kind of time display versus an AM, PM type clock. Another one is date. So again, if I go in here and type % and start typing date, we can see different variations. We even see some that show us what the formatting will be like. Do you want month first or day first, depending upon what region of the world you happen to be in? I'll just pick the standard one called date. And you can see that now the date is displayed. And again, all of this comes from the built-in clock of your TriCaster system. So if you find that your date and time is not correct, make sure you go into Windows, configure the system time and date, make sure the time zone is set correctly, because all of that will play a role in making sure that this information is correct. Now, just to show you, there are a few other types of data link keys available. You don't have to just take a standard date. Let's say I'd like the day of the week displayed. I can type %, I can start typing day, and you can see this one shows a bunch of different variations. We have numeric day, so we could get the day of the month. We have day long, day short. This would be the name of the day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can either have it abbreviated or displayed in full. So maybe I want it to say the full name of the day. We can go day long. And you can see that it happens to be a Friday today when I'm recording this. And you're not limited to putting one data link key on a line. You can put multiple data link keys. So every data link key is going to start and end with a %, but then after that you can type in more. So maybe I want to have the day, comma, then the month, and then the number of the month. So we'll put comma, and then I'll type data link key again. We'll do month. We'll do month long. Right, and now you can see it says Friday, January, and then let's put in the numerical day. So that's going to be day again, but in this case, instead of it being one of the days listed down here, we're going to choose the one numeric. The difference between a short and a long is the number of digits it will display. A long date will always display 2 digits, whereas a short numeric will only display the number of digits needed for the day. And that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to select that. And you can see it now says Friday, January 5, because that happens to be today's date when I'm recording this video. So as you can see, there's a lot of data link keys. There are also third-party software programs that can send in data link keys, or you can get it from scoreboard systems or reading them out of text files. There's a bunch of different ways data link can work, so you can dynamically update your titles from external data sources and have them current with information.